Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to add a contact in Gmail. I show you guys how to do that. Under your profile icon, you just need to locate the contacts over here. You just need to select it, and now you can able to see all contacts over here, guys. So if you want to add it, click on create contact. You just need to type the contact name. For example, I am gonna creating for you guys. Last name, company, job title, email, phone number, birth dates, notes, and after typing all information, select save. And now the contact has been saved, guys. So if you want to edit it, you can edit this contact. So if you want to remove this contact, click on this delete from contacts. You can delete it, guys. So you can able to see the contact list over here, guys. I just created Kalia. Just need to click on it. So I'm gonna deleting it. For example, you guys to know it, click on this trash icon. This contact will be permanently deleted from this account after 30 days. Click on move to trash. Now that has been removed from this list, guys. That's all you have to do it, guys. I hope this video helped you, guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.